MSWDO, LGO Pinili was awarded by the DSWD as Level 2 in the 2023 Service Delivery Capacity Assessment. Pinili is one of the only 4 municipalities which received this award. That proves the issues, needs, and concerns of our constituents, most especially the marginalized and vulnerable sectors, are being addressed. We hope that by the year 2026, if God and all you permit, we will be able to obtain the maximum score, which is equivalent to level 3 or fully functional in service delivery. Pinili obtained the award as the most improved nutritional status of beneficiaries in the 12th cycle supplementary feeding program implementation in the entire region. This is attributed to the sustained collaboration and commitment of the federated daycare parents, child development workers, the barangays, and the Municipal Nutrition Council. Pinili was awarded and recognized for its full support and participation in the regional search for the model bio-intensive garden, gearing to enhance resources for 3 consecutive years. Pinili has been consistent awardee of the most child-friendly municipality and a passer of the Child-Friendly Local Governance Award in the entire province of Ilocos Norte. In 2022, 4th place in the DILG Subaybayan Infrastructure Implementor, nearly 2nd place in the 2023 Banwar Itisalunat Awards, Best Dangerous Drug Abuse Prevention and Treatment Program Implementor. 2023, 100% in functionality for its Peace and Order Council. And to mention, kakabsat, last year 2023, Seal of Good Local Governance awardee, kakabsat, the highest and most prestigious award nga may titeg kadagiti ili LGUs, kakabsat. 2023, kakabsat, out of 23 out of 21 towns iti Ilocos Norte, upat laeng tinakarwar napadayawan nga SGLG awardee apo. In relation to this, we were again nominated this year for the 2024 SGLG award. We hope, kakailyan, that we can sustain what we started last year. And of course, we were able to bag the 2nd place for the 2024 Tanok ni Ilocano Festival of Festivals. 2024 Municipality of Pinili as drug-free workplace. Top 6, kakabsat, to'y anak ng kabsatyo, for the top performing mayor of Ilocos Norte, Region 1, with 90.60% survey of the nation 2024. Vision for the future, kakailian, let us go beyond our dream. Let us take actions and realize these dreams. Together, let us continue to make our town a place of opportunity, safety, and progress for all. Let us sustain what our Pinili is meant to be, the chosen town of Ilocos Norte. So, hand in hand, let us move forward to a brighter, more prosperous future, and once again, make these plans, programs, and projects into a promising reality. Future infrastructure projects, rehabilitation, improvement of legislative building into two-story building, transformation of the municipal library into iHub, e-library, and records building. Completion of the installation of solar-powered street lights from Santo Tomas to Sakritan. Installation of water pumping station at Barangay Barbar and eventually at Barangay Tartarbang, then to Poblacion, catering to all households with water trucks to supply those that cannot yet access the water supply. Rehabilitation, improvement of Welcome Art and Shrine of Gregorio Aglipay. Pasalubong and Recreational Center at Barangay Apatut Lubong. Electrical upgrading of municipal buildings and improvement of Pinili Cemetery. Nine, development of municipal park, construction of Little Pinili, rehabilitation and improvement of economic building, including the MCTC building at Barangay Darat. At the pundo na amin na po, nakitaan, diyan lang mangrugi, mag-implementaran ako. And customer na po, letter B, procurement of municipal vehicles. 24 units for all barangays. 24, sorry, 25. 28. Medyo na ano lang, ano yan. Okay, 25. Ang dami kada barangay. Two water tanker truck. Other future assistance will going to sustain college and senior high school financial assistance kakabsat. Tuloy-tuloy na programa. Sustain financial assistance to reviewees, electronic LGU, online application that offers the public with innovative features, making the process of securing business permit, cedula, and LCR certifications more accurate and speedy. Distribution of laptops with printer to all child development workers. And we have here item letter D, proposed projects for 20%, MDF for 2025, rehabilitation of public market to boost local trade and public convenience at Barangay Pagdilao in the amount of 3 million pesos. Purchase of 1 minibus for transporting entrepreneurs and farmers in hauling of agri-products and other products produced by various small, medium enterprise of the municipality in participating various trade fairs for promotion of the local products in the amount of 5,286,549 pesos and 60 cents. RTL Livelihood Program for Small Medium Enterprise in the municipality in the amount of 5 million apo. Tuloy-tuloy, kada nga taon, 5 million para kadagitin negosyante, kaya't na negosyo nga pinili nyo. Number 4, purchase of medicine and medical laboratory equipment for health facility in the amount of 5 million. Tapnitikas na po, credit tayo, iti PhilHealth, at mabalintay ito nga singirmatan iti PhilHealth.